Alright. Oh shit. Fuck that. There we go. We're safe now. Damn, it's so wet. Oh shit. See how big those things are? Man, people's alarms are going off. You hear that weird buzzing now? Weird. Oh shit. You wanna close it up, or are you good right now? Because this cell never itself can close it up. And then you'll hear me banging on the door. Open it up. Oh damn! You see the board? Hey, Lee. Right up there?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this totally like a board I just put up. Oh, another one. Yeah, it's getting epic. I totally saw a lightning bolt reflecting in the window right there, top window. What's up? Yeah. I got all the warnings and all the lights and everything. Let me go check the back real quick. Oh, shit. Oh, it's getting dark. Is that over there? Is it coming from over there? Because it's getting real dark and shitty right over there, man.